Where did we go wrong? Our love was once so strong. Where did we go wrong? I should have known all along. I know, you know, things aren't quite as they seem to a stranger. There ain't nothing wrong. It's been some time since we've had a walk, even longer since we've had a talk in the park like we used to do. We were 18, our love was new. Times have changed since that first kiss. We couldn't wait for that wedding bliss, but there was nothing that we could do to stop that train and start anew. Where did we go wrong? Our love was once so strong. Where did we go wrong? I should have known all along. I know, you know, things aren't quite as they seem to a stranger. There ain't nothing wrong. Remember how we used to be? We'd watch TV with your hand upon my knee, whispering things no one else could hear. We said we'd love until eternity. What can we do now our love has burned? 8 years gone, too late to turn. We'll keep on fighting to the end. Maybe someday our hearts will mend. Where did we